Solve this equation. 1 over x plus 1 over y equals 1 over x plus y. What shall we do firstly? Simplify the left-hand side. How? 1 over x plus 1 over y is x plus y over x times y. And the right side is still 1 over x plus y. So, the cross multiplication rule, x plus y times x plus y will be xy times 1. X plus y times x plus y, it is x plus y squared, will be equal to xy times 1, which is xy. Using the binomial formula, you can expand the left-hand side. It's x squared plus 2xy plus y squared equals xy. Subtract xy from both sides. It is x squared plus xy, then plus y squared equals 0. We always hope that the coefficient of x times y is 2, positive 2 or negative 2. Because therefore, we can again use the binomial formula, and there's going to exist a perfect square. And a perfect square with 0 is going to be a perfect combination. So here, what I'm going to do is multiply both sides by 2. And the left-hand side is 2 times x squared plus xy plus y squared equals 2 times 0 is 0. It's going to be 2 times x squared plus 2 times xy plus 2 times y squared equals 0. Having noticed that this can actually be written as x squared plus 2xy plus y squared, then plus another x squared plus the other y squared. This one is x plus y squared. So now you can see the right-hand side is 0. And the left-hand side has 3 perfect squares. Because we know that the perfect squares are always non-negative. So these 3 sections, these 3 perfect squares, have to be non-negative simultaneously. So x plus y squared is non-negative, x squared is non-negative, y squared is non-negative. However, their sum is 0. So what does it mean? It means that each of them should be 0. So it implies that x plus y should be equal to x, which is also equal to y, and they are all equal to 0. So that's the solution. Of course not. X equals y was the problem, and they're both equal to 0. Now, what is x? X is our denominator. What is y? It's also our denominator. So, can actually a denominator be equal to 0? Of course not. So, this equation doesn't have any solution. So, the answer will be no solution. So, did you get it? Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to me for more wonderful questions, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.